Hello traders, this is Mike Hamilton and I've just finished my weekly preparation and I want to share with you what I'm seeing. So weekly charts, are we bullish, are we bearish, what should we be doing in this market? Should we be selling in May and going away as is the usual mantra? At the moment I would suggest you don't do that and I'm going to explain why. This is the Russell, the small cap index for the US. Now this has had two higher weeks on the weekly chart. If you look at the Dow, we are narrowly above last week's close with a new all-time weekly high. Okay, so admittedly a lot of bottoming tails, a little bit of a spinning top. It's not a truly convincing close. I must admit the index, the Dow itself, has been extremely light volume. But at the moment we don't have a sell signal, so if we do get a sell signal, particularly a close under 200 on Monday or at any point during the week, I will then be potentially looking for, or not potentially, I will be looking for shorts. Simple as that. Alright, but in the meantime, this is bullish. The DAX closed lower, marginally lower than the previous week's close, so that could well indicate that the DAX is not happy up here. However, we did have a good big run on Thursday and then we closed inside that bar on Friday. So overall across the indices they are bullish. The FTSE, if you look at this weekly bar from April 6, we're opening and closing inside of that. We held the major support level here, 68.90 this week. We did close lower, and the daily is a little indecisive, although we are actually closing above the daily 55. But overall, I'm staying bullish for now, but on high alert for any potential reversal signals as we get into the week. Right, best charts out there at the moment is gold. Sorry, that's not gold. This is gold just coming up. You can see very impressive close. Two higher closes here. I'm looking to buy about 12.15. And on Monday on the Traders Roundtable I will be looking at some key stock sectors, in particular the miners. Okay, we look as if we've got a good bottoming pattern. We've had a lot of price action that suggests that this gold has got some distance to go, and we look as if we are heading for 1300. Right, Forex. This is the weekly on the pound US, and that is a very, very decent high close. So I'll be looking for something around the 155, 156. Currently closed at 157.27 on Friday, so I will be looking for a pullback on that one. Pound yen closed higher and above the 50%. The 50% is taken from the 07 highs to the lows of 2011, 2012. So a decent close. So I'll be looking to see if we can test 185, 186 on that one. The euro had a really nice close, so it's a very bullish bar. So pullback to 113 is a buy for the week on that one. And because the euro is so strong, if you look at the euro CAD, not too dissimilar from the euro US. I would stick with the euro US. And euro Aussie is bullish, but struggling under that resistance. Okay, so that's the main indices. The US dollar is weak. US dollar CAD is lower close. US dollar yen, talked about this for some time. It's a lower close. It needs a good drop to about 115. We're currently 119. So we talked about gold. Just last look at oil. I'm going to keep this nice and sweetly and short because Traders Roundtable is going to be extensive, looking across forex, commodities, and of course stocks. It's holding up. I'm looking for the mean to get back to around about the 70, 74 mark. I still think we need a decent pullback to about 57.50 on the oil, and that's all I'll be looking for next week. Okay, so do join me at the Traders Roundtable because we are going to be doing a very, very intensive look at fibs, the importance of fibs during the week, particularly during the week, and how to use fibs to really get your head around what potential moves are and how to plan your best moves as the week gets underway. Okay, so I do hope you enjoy what's left of your weekend, and stay tuned for Traders Roundtable. And the trading room will be open at a quick review at 3 o'clock only, and then Skype room around at the 5 o'clock mark, and then Traders Roundtable in the normal trading room. Watch out for the new link for that. I'll send that out on Monday. But in the meantime, yeah, like I said, have a fantastic weekend and stay safe. See you on Monday.